Imagine standing in your living room, surrounded not just by greenery, but vivid bursts of color, from blooms hailing from continents thousands of miles apart, all flourishing right in your home. Across the globe, houseplant enthusiasts nurture spectacular flowering species, each with its own story and secret to success. Today, let's embark on a virtual tour of the world through flowers that bloom for us indoors, no matter where we live. Our journey begins in South Africa, the native home of the African violet. Despite its delicate appearance, the African violet is famously adaptable to indoor life. With velvety leaves and clusters of purple, pink, or white flowers, it's been a beloved houseplant since the late 19th century. African violets thrive in consistent warmth with dappled sunlight, and a little attention to watering rewards caretakers with nearly year-round blooms. It's no wonder these little jewels adorn windowsills on every continent. Next, we head to Southeast Asia for the peace lily. Originating in tropical rainforests, the peace lily brings understated elegance to interior spaces. Its glossy dark green leaves accentuate its pristine white flowers, which are actually specialized leaves known as spathes. Peace lilies have carved out a place in homes not only for their beauty, but also for their legendary air-purifying properties. Just keep it away from direct sun, and it'll thank you by unfurling new blooms several times annually. From the tropics, we make a stop in South America, where the Christmas cactus and its cousin, the Easter cactus, have enchanted plant collectors for generations. In their native habitats of Brazilian rainforests, these epiphytic cacti cling to trees, but indoors they're known for their arching stems and dramatic tubular flowers. With proper care, good drainage, bright but indirect light, and a distinct period of dryness before blooming, these cacti explode with pink, red, or white flowers right when you least expect it, making winter holidays just a bit brighter. Let's not forget the timeless charm of the orchid, specifically the moth orchid, or Phalaenopsis, originally from Southeast Asia and Australia. Once reserved for royalty, moth orchids are now among the world's most popular houseplants, due to their long-lasting sculptural blooms in a rainbow of colors. Despite their reputation for fussiness, Phalaenopsis orchids are surprisingly approachable. They prefer their roots airy and dislike being soggy, and with a bit of patience, their dramatic flowers can outlast almost any bouquet. On to China, home to the goldfish plant. Nematanthus, known for its glossy leaves and charismatic orange blooms shaped like tiny fish, is a favorite among adventurous plant keepers. This plant thrives in bright light and humidity, making it a perfect candidate for well-lit kitchens or bathrooms. The goldfish plant's unique appearance is more than a conversation starter. It's proof of the wild creativity nature has to offer. Europe too boasts popular flowering houseplants, such as the cyclamen, native to the Mediterranean. Cyclamen's signature upswept petals and heart-shaped leaves offer a refreshing display through the colder months when few other houseplants are in bloom. While Cyclamen does best in cooler indoor temperatures, a short period of dormancy in summer ensures its dramatic return next winter. No tour of indoor flowering plants would be complete without mentioning the hibiscus, beloved across Asia and the islands of the Pacific. With immense flamboyant blossoms in red, yellow, and pink, hibiscus can thrive indoors, provided they're given ample sunlight and consistent warmth. Their tropical flair transforms any space into a sunny retreat, regardless of the season outside. Finally, we land in Madagascar, home of the crown of thorns, or Euphorbia mealy. This hardy succulent boasts thick, spiny stems topped by clusters of tiny, bright blooms. The crown of thorns is undemanding, tolerating both drought and periods of neglect, perfect for busy or forgetful caretakers. Its resilience, combined with its odd beauty, has made it a staple on sunny windowsills everywhere. Each of these plants, African violet, peace lily, Christmas cactus, moth orchid, goldfish plant, cyclamen, hibiscus, and crown of thorns, brings a piece of its homeland into ours. They aren't just decorations, but living connections to wild landscapes and centuries of cultivation. So, whether your home is filled with light or shade, warmth or cool, there's a plant out there ready to reward your care with a burst of color.
In every bloom, we're reminded of the world outside and the wonder of bringing that world inside, one flower at a time.